Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. We take a look at the daily chart first and take a look at the smaller time frame. Bitcoin has not really moved much since Trump became president. We have only seen sideways consolidation. My take is still that we're very close to the completion of a long-term rally on the Bitcoin chart. This here should be our top. Okay, maybe we see further upside extensions, but that would need to be confirmed. For now, yes, the focus is on higher prices overall, absolutely. But the current idea is that we're in the late stages of a larger rally that started in August. Not only that, but we're also in the late stages of a rally that started in November 2022. We talked about the implications of that in previous videos. We will do that again. We talked about that in member live streams. We talked about that in member videos. We talked about that here in the, let's say, the public videos and so on. Everybody should be aware. If you're not, then feel free to subscribe, and we will pick that topic up going forward again and again. So far, however, all I can do is raise awareness and make sure that everybody's on the side of caution. This is not yet a call that the top is in. I don't believe it is yet. And very recently the price made a new all-time high. I remember some people already called a bull market top. I find that a bit too early. So the move up is likely still unfolding, right? And the fifth wave up, which we're tracking, is likely going to be an ABC structure. And the 130K level is going to be the next upside milestone target, at least on the larger time frame. This is quite important because we need some kind of a, let's say, something to focus on the way up. Of course, there's no guarantee to get there, but it would be the current perspective. Looking at the smaller time frame for Bitcoin, you can see that we are still moving in a sideways triangle. The move to the upside is seen as ABC structure. So I'm following primarily the white scenario. This could easily get invalidated, This is just a sideways triangle. Someone suggested in one of the in the comment section of one of the recent videos that the fact that we are consolidating around all-time high territory is super bullish. I mean, that was the comment, right? That's true, but that's no guarantee that it will break out to the upside. We could simply see consolidation, then a dip, and then a move up. And these are the two scenarios I'm tracking on the smaller time frame. The support area hasn't changed all week, and it is located between 92,626 and 97,260. This is the support area for a possible wave 2, because we can say that this year was potentially a wave 1. The rally between the 13th of January and the 17th of January, then an A wave down, a B wave as a sideways consolidation, and a C wave down, and then we could go up from there. This would be a wider 1-2 setup, and then we go up from there. Important is in this case that we're holding above 92,626. Now in a more, let's say, short-term bullish perspective, all of this is an A wave in a triangle, then A, B, C, D, E to complete the B wave of the triangle, and then an upside breakout could take us above 125K. This is a scenario, I would actually prefer that. However, just because I prefer it doesn't mean it has to happen. This will require, first of all, that the market is holding above yesterday's swing low. So for this microstructure, really like the micro or nano structure to remain relevant, the price must hold above the Thursday low, which formed here around 101,000, 250, 101,200. That's very important. And first indication for an upside breakout is a move above 106,900. Further confirmation is a break above the B wave high at 107,250, 107,300. So we need to get a break above these two swing highs, which formed, one of them on Thursday and the other one here on Tuesday, the alarm clock, and the other one here on the 21st, on Tuesday and Thursday. So these need to be broken. And until, we're just in a sideways range, and even the move up from the last low is only a 3-wave move up. I mean, it's moving only in corrective structures back to back. That's exactly why we're tracking a triangle. Ultimately, this triangle can always extend. I mean, it is technically complete, but it could break out in both directions. This is unclear at this stage. There is, while I record this video, no confirmation yet. It's just important to be aware of the key levels and the support levels which come should the break to the downside occur, as well as to the upside. What would be a breakout target? Well, I mean, the first target is the top of the triangle, you could say, around 110K. But if this is a C wave up, which I assume it is, we should see a move up to 125K next, and it would be a 5-wave move. Now, I don't know how this will be structured. This is not yet very clearly a very clear breakout signal. I mean, it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. See, it doesn't fit from the proportions. This is too small, but it could be, I don't know, ABC maybe in a wave 1, and then we get a wave 2, we get 3, 4, 5, something like that. But there is no 5-wave move up yet. There is no upside breakout yet. So we continue to move sideways for now, which is okay. It's at a very high level. The altcoins are a bit nervous as well, but that's the overall perspective. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.